In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to minimize Google Maps on Android. If you've ever wanted to keep Google Maps visible while doing something else on your phone, minimizing it to a smaller view is the way to go. This lets you keep an eye on your route without giving up the rest of your screen. Because Android interfaces vary by brand and version, the icons you see may look a little different, but the idea is the same across most devices. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your Android phone. Give it a moment to load so your current location and map tiles are ready. If you haven't used Maps in a while, this quick pause also helps it get a fresh GPS lock and ensures the map responds smoothly. Next, navigate to the place you need to go. Search for your destination, choose the best route, and start navigation so turn-by-turn guidance is active. Having navigation running before you minimize it ensures you still hear voice directions and see the live route once the map is in a smaller view. If you prefer to just see the map without guidance, that works too. The process is the same. Now open your phone's recent apps, also called the overview screen. If you use gesture navigation, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold for a moment until you see your recent apps. If your phone uses the classic navigation buttons, tap the square or the three lines button at the bottom to get to the same place. You should see Google Maps among the app cards. With the Maps card visible, look toward the top right area of the screen for an icon that looks like two overlapping squares. Tap that to open Maps on a smaller portion of the screen. On some devices, you might instead see a split screen icon or an option labeled something like split screen or pop-up view. Use whichever option appears to place Maps in a compact view while keeping other apps accessible. At this point, Google Maps will shrink so you can use another app alongside it. This is ideal for checking messages, looking up a confirmation number, or controlling music while your route stays in sight. The exact controls for the minimized window can differ, but most phones let you drag a divider or a handle to adjust how much space Maps takes up. Because this feature can look a little different depending on the make and model of your Android device, don't worry if your icon placement or labels vary slightly. The principle is the same. Open recent apps, then choose the option that turns Maps into a smaller view so you can multitask without losing your way.